Dogs and Puppies by Ciera and Olivia. I videotaped her climbing.
Let me see.
Dogs are not like this.
My knees don't bend like yours, so unless you want to hear a loud snap and invest in back wheels
They
for me, I better sit.
they are sneaky. Like on the other video. And we had to wash them to keep them clean. Sometimes dogs just want to be free, and sometimes dogs are just happy to be with their owner. You know, at the end of the dog that was getting washed, he jumped out of the tub. Why does dogs do not like cats? They do not like cats because they have cats want to be independent, and also dogs doesn't like their behavior, and cats doesn't like the dog's behavior because the dog's behavior is playful and the cat's behavior is just laying down and being lazy. But for my opinion, I like dogs now better. We are heading to my Nana's. She owns like over than 15 dogs. And you saw Jasmine and Blue on the others. But the talking one wasn't mine. Well, it wasn't mine, but it was in my Nana's.
Ow!
Spotlight, puppy, favorite color,
jealous,
blue.
Eddie, you so jealous. Jealous, Eddie. Yeah, you so jealous. You try to make you much more better than that.
That thing does work.
Edie, where are you going?
It takes
Where are you
more.
going?
Itty. Itty bitty.
Paw. Yeah.
Small, sneaky, and smart.
Okay, be careful with your head and the babies now.
Oh, that's cool.
Pretty puppies.
Pretty puppies.
You only have one.
Sleepy puppies.
I have pink and orange.
By the puppy.
Pink and orange. Yeah. I got.
By the puppy from
Green.
Rosa
Green.
Poodle. What is your opinion about dogs and puppies?
Dogs and puppies actually are the same, but here's a puppy for my interview. But puppies are actually cuter and dogs are meaner too.
And also, well, what information do you know about dogs and puppies?